Smartphones are now necessary tools for entrepreneurs in today's digital age because they allow people to manage projects, connect with clients, and conduct business operations from almost anywhere. This video explores 5 innovative business ideas that can be started with just a smartphone, outlining the procedures, resources, and marketing potential for each idea. The best social media management services to launch a social media management company from your smartphone are listed below, along with the top 5 original business ideas you may launch from your phone. Numerous apps may help with content creation and scheduling. Canva, for example, allows for graphic design, and Hootsuite and Buffer make it easier to schedule and share material across different platforms. These apps also offer analytics to track interaction and reach, making them useful. Mobile video editing services apps like InShot KineMaster and Adobe Premiere Rush enable users to edit films on their cell phones and add effects. Managers can modify strategy based on performance. Music during transitions usually. The process starts when clients provide the editor raw material, which the editor then cuts to the client's criteria and returns for the third approval. Services for virtual assistants to function as virtual assistants, people have access to a variety of platforms and apps. Trello or Asana can assist with task management, while Slack makes it easier to communicate with clients. Tools like Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, offer document creation and storage. Typically, Solutions begins by providing services in their area of expertise and then grows as they gain experience and the trust of their clients. Online or consulting coaching can be carried out through video conferences with the use of programs like Zoom or Google Meet. In addition to using social media and websites to advertise their services, business owners can utilize Sendy to effectively organize meetings and keep track of appointments. A lot of coaches create extra resources like ebooks or online courses that they can market and sell to their clients. The 5th mobile application examiner or reviewer to locate possibilities for testing applications. Sign up for sites like User Testing Testbirds or UT Test. Usually, testers download the app, use it as intended, and offer feedback via surveys or video recordings. Typically, starting this kind of business requires very little capital because all you need is a smartphone. In today's digital world, launching a business from your smartphone is not only possible, but also becoming more and more common. However, these ventures demand commitment and skill development to be successful. Finally, by using their cell phones and a good awareness of market trends, entrepreneurs can tap into these emerging markets and carve out their niches in the digital economy. For example, they can share and subscribe to our channel to receive additional videos. Thank you for watching. You can also click the bell icons to receive video notifications.